Over 12 months, we emptied 0.12% of the drains in this region. Then we asked locals to guess what we found.
Oh, probably 100 kilograms of rubbish going down the drain.
100 kilos?
400. Say about 150 kilos.
100 kilos.
500 kilos?
90 kilos or so.
550 kilograms of rubbish, that's about all I can fit in my car.
That's unreal, eh?
It's a lot. It's a lot.
That surprises me. It's a lot, yeah.
Wow. I knew it'd be high.
And litter doesn't weigh that much, I suppose, so yeah, that's gross.
Why, jings, that's a lot.
Maybe 600 cigarette butts have gone down the drains.
I think maybe 100 cigarettes?
Oh, say 7,000?
I would say like 10,000.
Maybe 1,000?
Maybe 2,000.
Oh, over 11,000.
Over 11,000, are you joking?
Oh,
Gross.
That's incredible. Why would people just drop their rubbish on the ground like that?
How did this happen?
In a group of 10 people in a public place, 7 will do the right thing and 3 will litter.
From Emerald to Theodore, Moranbah to Yeppoon, all drains lead to the ocean.
Once litter hits a waterway, it has joined the highway to the reef.
And into my home. Yuck!
Here's how to make everyone's home a little cleaner.
While it may look clean from up above, it's a different story underneath the surface.
We're already making 548 kilograms of difference. Together, we can make a ton.